This is an overview of the master template. To use this template, we first need to have the add-on installed and activated. In case you haven't already installed the add-on, just go to Extensions, Add-ons, and click Add Add-ons. Search for Gorilla ROI and then install the required add-on. Once the add-on is installed, it should appear like this. You will see an option here that says use this add-on. Click use this add-on and then come here again and you will see another option that says add user ID. Since I have already activated mine, the menu appears a little different. Let me show you how the add user ID box appears. This is the user ID that I'm using. You just have to type yours in or copy paste it. Once that's done, click save. In case the save button doesn't work, you need to do the same in incognito mode of your browser. Now the data should start appearing here. In case you see any errors or you see no data here, just delete this SKU list formula and undo it. This will trigger a refresh across the whole sheet. So now that the data appears, you can now use the master data tab. The inputs tab is used by other tabs and it is not recommended to edit this tab. The instructions tab contains the instructions on how to activate the add-on and use the add-on, and it also contains the color legend that we use in our sheets. The glossary tab contains the list of custom functions that we offer. If you want to find more info, you can just hover on this, click here, and it will take you to our website where you will find details on this specific function. Thank you.